Welcome to Crypto College. How do we find a coin that we want to day trade? So, we're going to cover this topic and we'll teach you a few tricks that we have been using. And your trades will be very successful if you make the right decision. So, let's get into this. So, I would like to cover the criteria that I personally use when I pick a coin for trade. Because, as you know, with anything, when you have a lot of popularity, there are a lot of scams as well. So you don't want to lose your money. You want to trade coins that are known coins. So you know them, you heard about them, or there are ways to check them out, which we're going to cover. Second is I personally do not like to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, BTC or Ether. And once we go to the Coin Market Cap site, I'll show you why. The main reason for that is there is less volatility. I'm a scalper. I like to make quick money. So I make money when a coin goes up and goes down. There's a lot of volatility and I profit. I profit from longs, I profit from shorts. But if a coin is very stable, it does not move much, it's not good for scalping. Might be good for position traders that want to hold on to it for months and years. But as a scalper that like to be in a trade and within 3, 4 minutes, I'd like to be out of trade with 20, 30% profits, that's not the best approach. Third one is I look for coins that are generally over $100 million market cap. I don't like to get into the small ones because they're risky. There are just few people in the game that you're going to find coins that are like half a million, 200,000, less than a million. They're very risky. So you could lose your money at any time. But if a coin has, over 100 million, I feel, a level of comfort with that coin. I only trade utility coins, but there's a lot of money to be made in meme coins. I look for coins that have a purpose. They're To me, they're a lot safer trade than just shit coins or meme coins. I also look for maximum percentage change in 24 hours. That tells me that it is very volatile, and that goes to the 6 point maximum volatility. So let me show you what I mean. First of all, this is one of the sites, coinmarketcap.com. Very, very effective site to get loads of research on your coins, understand the valuation of a coin. You'll be able to see a lot on this site. A lot of my trades are done. A lot of the coins that I've added to my trading view is from CoinMarketCap. Another useful site that I use when I'm buying into gems, putting some money into it, is dextools.io. This is also a very useful site, and you'll be able to get a lot of insight on coins, especially when they newly get listed, where they're listed, what exchanges are they at, and you can see if they're going to get listed a lot more at more exchanges by the response that you see on this site. Third one is I use it as an app. My iPhone is called Crypto Bubbles. You can also go on cryptobubbles.net, or you can go on your iPhone or Android and download this. I use this in the morning sometimes just to look at it. Where is it headed today? So if it's a lot of green, that means a lot of coins are going long. In this picture, as you see, there's a lot more red than green. So there's a lot of shorts going on in the market, a lot of money being pulled out. That gives me an idea. And sometimes I also find coins that I've never heard of. If like Bonk, first time I heard of Bonk was on Crypto Bubbles, and it went up a lot. So I use this as well. It's a useful app to have. Now let's go into um, CoinMarketCap website, and as you can see, I'm going to show you how I use this. So you can always use it to also look up market cap, which is on the top left. You can see how much money is into crypto. And then I use the ranking. So now you can see Bitcoin, of course. I mean, out of 1.7 trillion, 830 billion belongs to Bitcoin. Then Ether, which is the second. And then you go down on the list. But the good thing is that even the top If you go through the top 50, 60, probably up to 100, they're still above $1 billion mark, right? We're now at what, 60, and we're still above $1 billion mark. So now we're on 70, and they're like just a little bit less than billion. So it's really good if you're going to trade with coins that are above billion. They're very safe. They've been around for a while. There's a lot of money into it. There's a lot of institutional money into it. So chances of getting ripped off is just, it's almost none. Now, the second point I look at is the 24-hour change. So I look for coins that change a lot, 7 days or 24 hours. And if you see that when I scroll down, I'm looking for Caspa, which is showing me 11%, right? As you go down further, I look for more volatility so I can make money. Remember, the more volatile, the better profit margins I can make. Ordi, you can see the weekly change was almost 47%, right? And then we have SEI. Look at that, 66, 67% weekly and 22% 24-hour change. That's a coin that I want to trade. It has over $1 billion market cap. Why not? That's a coin that I want to trade. That would be something which would feel very safe. Plus, I could make a lot of profits. So this site is very helpful. I also use something called gainers and losers. And as you can see in 24-hour SCI, same coin, it gives you the rating by percentage, by ranking, how much each coin has gained, right? Or lost as well. But the green is for gains, and then the red, as you can see, for the loss. So you can use them for shorts or for longs. A lot of people use this to get that information. And then they take a short if they see the coin keep losing, percentage with the 24 hours, they take a short. Scalpers usually do this. You can also click on a coin and go in details. Like, for example, AVAX, right? I'm looking at the market cap. I'm looking at the volume that's pumped in within 24 hours. I'm looking at, what is it at like a day before? What is it at if I want to look at 7 days ago? If I want to check out what happened a month ago, it gives you all that information, which is amazing. It also gives you information. And the good thing I like is you can change that. You can change the lighting of it. You click on it, you can do the night, which is dark, which I prefer, or you can go plain, white. So CoinMarketCap is amazing to use. And as always, safe trading.